Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I want to talk about understanding 404 errors and broken links. Now first, I want to talk about what is a 404 error. And in order for me to explain that, I want to navigate to Google, and in the Google search engine, I want to search for 404 error, and then I want to click on images. And here we can see a lot of images, right? Out of which I have opened one of the image. I hope everybody who's watching this video, you have seen this particular image, right? I will tell you exactly what is a 404 error. A 404 error happens when you try to visit a web page but it is not found. For example, I want to take the copy of the clickandcapturestudio.com and then I want to navigate to incognito mode, and then I want to search the URL just by removing the O, Click and Capture Studio, and then I want to click on enter. Now here we can see this site can't be reached, which means it is a 404 error. The page is not found. I hope you clearly understand what do I mean by a 404 error. Now I want to close this particular tab and then I want to navigate to Notepad so that we can start understanding about what are broken links. First, I will give you a definition and then I will show you the example. A broken link is a hyperlink on a website that does not work because the page it's supposed to take you to is missing or moved. And if that link is not existed, when we click on that link, what will happen? It will take us to the 404 error. And now in the Click and Capture Studio, I want to click on the blog, and then we have written two blogs, right? And out of which I want to open the blog South Indian Bridal Reception Look. And when I open the blog, I want to scroll down a little bit and then I want to search for the hyperlinks, and here we can see the hyperlink wedding photography, which means whenever someone clicks on this particular link, it will take us to the wedding photography page in the Click and Capture Studio. First, let me click on wedding photography, and we can see the link has been redirected us to the wedding photography page of Click and Capture Studio. Now in the services, we do have wedding photography, right? Imagine that we have updated it to wedding services. What will happen? Anybody who clicks on this particular wedding photography, it will take to the wedding photography page, but unfortunately the name has been updated to wedding services, which means we will be getting the error and it will show us an 404 error. The page is not found. I hope you clearly understand what is 404 error and what are broken links. And now I will give you the common reasons for 404 errors or broken links. The very first reason is page deleted. Just now we have seen an example, right? The web page has been removed from the site. Now the second one is URL changed. The link or address of the page may be updated, but the old link was not redirected. And the third reason is typing mistakes. Now while we are searching for the Click and Capture Studio, we have searched for clickandcapturestudio.com, which means because of the typing mistake, we got the 404 error. And the fourth reason is going to be website structure change. What does it mean? Maybe the website owner have changed the folder structure but did not update the old links. And the fifth reason is going to be external links. Maybe we link to another website, but that website removes or changes its pages. So these are the common reasons for 404 errors or broken links. And now how are we going to fix the 404 errors or broken links? The very first thing that we have to do is we have to find the broken links. And how are we going to find that? We can make an use of the tools like Google Search Console. It is a free tool. Or maybe if we want a detailed reports, then we can use the paid tools like RFs or maybe SEMrush. I want to quickly navigate to Google and then I want to search for maybe 404 error, and then I want to search RFs. And when I hit on enter, I clearly see, right, there are a lot of images, and when I click on any of the images, we can see in the RF's website there is an option called broken links, and then we can clearly see how many links have been broken. It is an easy way to find the broken links, and we will be talking about these tools in the upcoming sessions. And for now, I'm just explaining you the understanding of 404 links and then the broken links. And then how are we going to fix the 404 links or broken links? The second solution is we have to fix the internal links. Now in the Click and Capture Studio, I want to navigate to the website real quick. I want to navigate to the home page. We have to check the links within our site. If there are any broken links, then we have to fix it. And how are we going to find the broken links? We can make an use of the website like Google Search Console or maybe RFs or maybe SEMrush. Now quickly I want to navigate to the Notepad, and then the third solution is we have to fix the external links. Now imagine that in someone else's site, links to our missing page. then directly we can email them, right? And we can ask them to update the link to a new link. And that is how we can fix the 404 errors or broken links. And finally, where do we see the 404 links or broken links? It is on our website. Whenever we have deleted or moved the pages, we have to update the links, and we should not forget that. And then the second place is on external websites. So maybe in the other website, in their blog or in their page, if they have sent a backlink to our website page, and if our page is missing, what will happen? There will be a broken link on the external website, and then we have to update them. And then the third place is on other sites we link to. Maybe imagine that in our website, if we link to a page on another site and they remove or change it, and that is the time we have to reach out to them and ask them for a new page URL, and then we have to update the same in our website. I hope you clearly understand 404 errors and broken links. So what we have learned in today's video, the 404 errors and broken links will definitely frustrate the visitors, because whenever they click on the links and if they do not work, what will happen? They do not feel good about our website, right? In the same way, it will definitely affect our SEO. So we have to make sure that we regularly check for broken links, and we have to fix them, or maybe we have to redirect them. And also we have to provide the helpful 404 error pages to keep our visitors happy, which means we have to make a friendly 404 page to guide the users. Maybe the page you are looking for is not here, click our homepage, search for what you need, and then we can add the links to our homepage or maybe to other popular pages in our website. If you have any questions in this particular video, I want you to comment down right below my video. I will read each and every one of your questions, and I will answer each and every one of your questions. And by the way, if you are new to my channel, and then if you want to learn digital marketing from the very basics, I have did 100+ videos related to digital marketing. I want you to navigate to Edurself YouTube channel and find the playlist digital marketing. It will be short and simple. I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.